Welcome to Case Study Series in Information Technology by Skilled MBA. Domino's Pizza's digital transformation involved leveraging technology to enhance customer experience and streamline operations. By integrating online ordering systems, mobile apps, and data analytics, Domino's improved delivery efficiency and customer satisfaction. This strategic shift positioned Domino's as a leader in digital innovation within the food industry, setting a benchmark for technology-driven consumer engagement. Domino's strategic transformation involved a shift from traditional pizza making to becoming a digital leader. By focusing on customer-centric innovation and technology-enabled operations, Domino's revolutionized its business model. This evolution allowed the company to compete not only in food service, but also as a pioneer in retail and customer experience. Domino's transformed its business by investing heavily in technology platforms and mobile applications, integrating systems across franchises. This digital infrastructure enabled data-driven operations, optimizing pizza preparation and delivery. Consistent customer experiences were crafted across web, mobile, social media, and in-store interfaces, ensuring seamless engagement and setting a new standard in the industry. The Pizza Tracker transformed customer transparency by enabling real-time order tracking. Customers receive updates on preparation, baking, quality checks, and delivery. Management gains insights through performance monitoring tools, identifying bottlenecks and delays. Full transparency is achieved by displaying employee names handling each order, fostering accountability and personalization. Performance incentives leverage gamification to boost speed and accuracy, with rewards linked to tracker metrics. Transparent metrics offer real-time dashboards for individual and team performance. Skill development programs enhance technical and customer service skills, while cultural alignment fosters innovation among traditional food service workers through a tech-forward approach. Integrated technology systems revolutionize operations through digital inventory management and predictive analytics, optimizing ingredient ordering and distribution. Store operations benefit from kitchen display systems and workflow optimization tools, enhancing efficiency. Customer relationship management is elevated with personalization engines and order history analytics, enabling preference-based marketing automation for a tailored customer experience. Domino's strategic transformation led to 85% of orders being placed digitally, minimizing errors and boosting order value. With a 28% market share, it surpasses traditional competitors. Average delivery time is now just 15 minutes, thanks to route optimization. Remarkably, its stock grew 300%, outperforming many tech stocks during this period. Domino's evolution from a traditional pizza chain to a tech-driven consumer brand highlights its strategic shift. In the 1960s-1990s, it prioritized speed and convenience. By the 2000s, it embraced online ordering. The 2010s saw a focus on digital platforms, and today, Domino's positions itself as a technology company enhancing customer experience. Technology redefines industries by transforming business models and customer expectations. Real-time transparency builds trust and enhances satisfaction. Employee integration is crucial, aligning culture with digital innovation through incentives and training. Strategic execution involves comprehensive information technology-enabled transformation across all functions, not just isolated projects. Domino's digital transformation encountered global challenges. Infrastructure disparities required adapting solutions to diverse technological capabilities. Cultural expectations necessitated modifying transparency to align with regional norms. Franchise adoption involved managing technology implementation across independently owned operations, ensuring consistent execution while respecting local autonomy. The technology integration architecture at Domino's includes a customer interface layer with mobile apps, web ordering, and voice assistants. The data processing core manages orders and customer profiles. Store operation systems enhance kitchen displays and inventory management. The logistics layer optimizes delivery through driver tracking and route planning algorithms. Operational transparency can be a competitive advantage by building trust and enhancing customer loyalty. Aligning technology, operations, and company culture requires a strategic approach to ensure seamless integration. Viewing technology as a core differentiator rather than just support infrastructure can drive innovation. Digital tools can significantly transform the customer journey, elevating expectations and experiences. Automation in food preparation is advancing with robotics and artificial intelligence enhancing quality control. Autonomous delivery systems, including self-driving vehicles and drones, are optimizing logistics. Voice commerce is expanding, allowing customers to order via smart home devices and virtual assistants, streamlining the ordering process and enhancing customer convenience. Domino's Pizza exemplifies digital transformation by integrating technology as a core strategy, focusing on customer-centric innovation. Addressing real customer pain points is crucial, rather than adopting technology for its own sake. Comprehensive integration across business functions is essential, and revolutionary change often arises from transcending traditional industry boundaries and competitor benchmarks. Thank you for joining our discussion on digital transformation and operational excellence through the Domino's Pizza case study. At Skilled MBA, we turn real-world innovation into actionable learning for future leaders.